Bro, mas madali nga bang mambabae kaysa maging loyal sa isang babae?
Para sa akin, magiging mahirap lang ang maging loyal sa isang babae if you're considering a lot of options. Kaya nga masasabi ko na ngayon, mas madali na lang mambabae kaysa maging loyal sa isang babae. Siyempre masasabi natin na ang pagiging loyal is a bare minimum. Pero nowadays, nagiging rare na ang pagiging loyal. Kasi in this generation, it's easier to cover your affairs. Meron ng Tinder, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and a lot more. And marami din kasing willing na babae. May mga babaeng nagsettle maging kabit, pakbody, friends with benefits, knowing na yung guy is in a relationship. Alam mo kasi ang pagiging loyal na isang tao is being tested when you have a lot of options. Kaya nga siguro we have to appreciate men who sticks with one woman. Despite of having a lot of options, he only chooses his favorite person every single day. Every single day.